Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings and navigating to security or biometrics. This gets you straight into fingerprint management. Authenticate with your PIN or pattern so the system trusts you. Make sure battery is above 20% and the screen, especially the sensor area, is clean. This improves capture quality. Once done, choose Add Fingerprint or Update. You are starting the actual scan process now. Follow on-screen prompts closely, because good initial scans reduce re-enrollments and fingerprint aging issues. Now you focus on collecting a complete template. Place the finger flat and centered on the sensor, and vary angles so edges and ridges are captured. Lift and reposition between presses. Avoid sliding, because motion blur degrades data. Pay attention to progress feedback. Continue until the system reports 100% or the ring's complete. If a prompt asks for different orientations, do them. Broader coverage means better recognition in daily use. Make sure to include both primary and secondary fingers, if available. You finish by naming the new fingerprint and confirming enrollment. Labels help when you manage multiple prints. Test by locking and unlocking the phone 5 to 10 times, trying slightly different grips and angles so you verify reliability. If recognition fails frequently, more than about 20%, remove the print and re-enroll with better coverage. As a troubleshooting tip, clean the sensor and reboot the phone before a re-enroll. This often fixes recognition glitches caused by dirt or temporary software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.